Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this REALME smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose sound and vibration over here, then click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring and this way switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. After that you can click on sound mode and tap on vibrate. This way you will mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Now scroll down and click on more sounds and haptics. Over here you can click on this switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!